I suppose the first time for me was, as I say, playing music in Donegal, and John Doherty especially would have been. I used to go to see him every couple of weeks. My father would bring me on every second Sunday to see John Doherty, and he just had a huge presence, and his music was, to me, was amazing. I was kind of playing in pubs since I was very young. You wouldn't get away with it nowadays, but I would always have been playing in pubs around Carrick and Teelan. And there was always a lot of people around, so publicly, probably some kind of a talent competition locally in Buncrana or something like that would be the first stage experience. I have great memories of people like Danny Meehan coming around to Donegal years ago when he was living in London. Like Tommy Peoples and Danny Meehan and people like that, if they ever called, it was huge excitement in the area. And as I say, people like Finbar Dwyer or even Sean Maguire and Joe Burke, if they arrived in town, the whole town was ready for them, and that was exciting, yeah. I was lifted onto stage one night like a bag of spuds above Seamus Begley's head. That was kind of embarrassing, up through a crowd of people. I was like a little bag of spuds and he had me above his head like this. But there was no arguing with Seamus Begley. So. That's a hard one. Give me 1 second about that one now. Who am I going to leave out here? I would love to have met people like, who I never met, people like Tommy Potts. I just got a CD recently and I think it's amazing. Like, as I say, Sean Maguire was a great man as well. But I did get the chance to meet him. People like Finbar Dwyer, who's one of my heroes. Trying to think who else. Anybody who's willing to play a few tunes with me. One of the people that I did get a chance to play was Stefan Grappelli. That was amazing to be on the same stage as that man, just to be in his company for a start, and incredible player. Who else would I like to play with? I would love to play with the Rolling Stones, yeah. That'd be a buzz. I have played a little bit of, recently played a little bit of like rock and roll and a bit of salsa music with the Stunning and Salsa Celtica on a few different tours. So that was good fun. Musically speaking, how I would be happy, I would love to be able to play the fiddle properly. that would give me a great buzz. I'm also trying to play a bit of guitar at the minute and trying to learn a bit of jazz. But it's difficult, yeah. I know what I want to hear, but it takes a while to make it come out. I'm most looking forward to getting whatever little speech I have over and done with and sitting back and playing tunes and relaxing.